Let's teleport arrows. Let's get out of here. Wait, why can't I shoot my arrow? Do I need a special bow for these?
No. Yeah, compound bow.
A metal compound bow.
Well, you crafted metal arrows.
Where can I craft that?
The fabricator.
Alright, I got my bow. I still can't shoot him.
Yeah, hold R. And to the right.
Alright, thank you. I don't want to tame it. Paragon Argumentius, so I kill that or tame it?
Kill that.
Well, I really thought that would work. Alright, he died. We got his Paragon Soul. What is sending down fire from this guy? Alright, wait, so there's should I tame a what's it called then? One of those birds? Argumentius? Does it have a Paragon Soul or no?
It could be one.
Is it like really slow? You said it's slow.
It's slow, yeah.
It's like hella slow?
Pretty much.
Oh god, there's no point in taming it then. Wait, so what's the best like flying one?
There's only 2 flyers on this map.
Is it the Argumentius and the stupid Pterodon?
Yeah.
That's actually concerning, isn't it? The size of this Pterodon. There's an alpha. Wait, what the hell? Where's another alpha? There's 2 alphas. There's a prime here. Can you come help? There's like 2 alphas and a prime here. We're first gonna kill the Ankylosaur. Holy damn. Okay. Fine, I think over here is fine.
You guys want to play Zoo? Alright.
Yeah.
Alpha Singularity Pterodon. Did your version die?
Mm-hmm.
That's not right.